Folks, welcome back to Edge of Breakup. I'm Sean. This week we're looking at yet another vintage guitar refret. I took it up to Northern California's Griffin Strings. Thank you, Alfred, for doing amazing work on this 1967 ES330 that is in stunning condition. Look at this back. I mean, come on. I picked up this guitar a few years ago, and the P90s are some of the best I've ever heard for being original pickups, especially. But the frets had always seemed a little bit plateaued off at the top, and I really was missing some of that accuracy and intonation, especially when I was trying to do bends and pull-offs and slurs into bends and out of bends and all that stuff that I love doing so much. And so I decided to get it refretted with stainless steel so I would never have to touch it again. And man, I am not sorry for making that choice. Working on vintage instruments always comes with a little bit of anxiety, but this was the absolute right choice for this beautiful 67 ES330. Make sure to check out the other video on my 67 ES335 that got the same stainless steel refret treatment over at Griffin Guitars from Alfred. Thank you so much, man. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're digging the videos, and make sure you join my email list for monthly pedal giveaways. You can find a link below in the description as well as in the comments. And let's jump in and take a look at this amazing 67 ES330 with a stainless steel refret and Emerson treble bleeds on the controls. Thanks again for all the support on the channel. Make sure you subscribe down below, and I'll see you for the next demo.